Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this brand new Audi TT Coupe Black Edition 2.0 TFSI S-Tronic in turbo blue. Now this vehicle is a brand new car, so it'll come with manufacturer 3 years warranty and 3-year roadside assistance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. To start off with, let's take a full 360-degree tour around this stunning TT. So starting out at the front, we have these super bright LED headlights to illuminate any obstacles on the road in front of you. I may also note as well that the flickering is simply due to the frame rate of the camera. Then looking down, we do have the 20-inch 5 V-spoke alloy wheels, which are an option and really complement this car very nicely. Looking to the side, we have the privacy glass, which is perfect for those rear occupants, and it also means that any items you have in the back are protected from the sun and from view. Looking in the rear, we do have 2 spacious seats, both of which come with ISOFIX points, making this perfect for those child seats. And as you can see inside, we've got plenty of space. Now looking to the rear, we do have the LED rear lights with the dynamic rear indicators, which as well as looking really stylish, are really functional and mean that you remain visible at all times. We do also have as well this stunning fixed rear spoiler in gloss black. Now looking in the tailgate, as you can see once it's open, there is plenty of space in there for those items such as your weekly shop. You can also get those golf clubs in there. And once the rear seats are folded, you can get larger items in there such as a small bike. So if we just pop those seats down there, and you can see it is a completely flat load bay in there. And once you there we go, you can see there's plenty of space in the back of this vehicle. Now if we close that boot there, and we can have a look at the stunning rear design of this TT. And then coming down to the side, once we have a look inside, you can see there's plenty of high quality materials on display. So we do have this stunning brushed aluminium trim around the vehicle, which looks really smart and complements the interior very nicely. And then looking back, we do have the part leather and part Alcantara seats, which are really comfortable, really supportive, especially on those longer drives. And they do also have plenty of adjustment in them. And these seats do also feature the electric lumbar support, which is perfect for those longer drives. So that completes our initial 360-degree walk around of this brand new Audi TT Coupe. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a more in-depth look inside this TT and have a look at some of the technology that's on offer in this stunning coupe. So we do have the electrically adjustable heated and power folding door mirrors, which is great for those tighter parking spaces, and the heating elements are great on those frosty winter mornings. Speaking of frosty mornings, we do have the heated front seats in this vehicle, which can be accessed either by pushing the button in 3 times to turn it on or off, and you can simply twist the button round instead if you prefer. Then looking over to the steering wheel, now this is a 3-spoke leather-wrapped multifunction flat-bottom steering wheel, and on the left-hand side we've got the controls there for our Audi virtual cockpit. Behind that we've got the downshifter for the S-Tronic gearbox for that ultimate sporty driving feel. We do also have as well the cruise control and speed limiter in this vehicle, perfect for those longer stretches of driving. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we do have the controls for our radio as well as our voice control, and sat behind that we've got our upshift paddle also there for the S-Tronic gearbox. So sat behind the steering wheel, we do have Audi's famous virtual cockpit, and you can see things on there such as your vehicle settings, your radio station, your telephone as well as your map screen, and you can also change the size of those dials to make it feel truly personalised. Now this screen does also double as your central infotainment screen, so using the controls down near the gear selector, you can have a look at things such as your smartphone interface, so you can connect your car to CarPlay or Android Auto, which is perfect for those nighttime drives when you want to get that Spotify music on. We do have as well our navigation, so you never get lost, and you can also pre-save destinations such as your home address. We've got our telephone for those important business calls on the way home. We've got our media there via Bluetooth or USB. We also have our radio. We've got a long list of digital audio broadcasting radio stations to choose from, so you should never be short of anything to listen to. And then moving further up along the screen there, we do have in the car setting, Audi's famous Drive Select, which means that if you want to go for an economy run, you can put the vehicle in efficiency, whereas if you fancy more of a spirited drive, you can put the vehicle in dynamic, or you can choose the settings for yourself in individual and access things such as the engine sound and the steering input. We do also have the very nice air conditioning in this vehicle, which was great on the day that I was filming this as it was rather warm, and this keeps you at the perfect temperature. Looking below that there, we do have the volume control there. You can also use this to seek track, and you can also turn off the entire sound system using this button as well. And then sat behind that, we do have this little cubby area here, which is perfect for hiding things such as your wallet or keys. And you can also find in there 2 USB sockets, perfect for charging those modern mobile devices. Now if we close that very pleasing cover there, it's very nice, isn't it, when it does things like that. And then looking down, we do have the Tronic gearbox there, and you can knock it over into manual mode for that ultimate driving feel there. And when you put it in reverse, you do also get the rear parking sensors come up on this vehicle to see any obstacles behind you. This is the control here for the central infotainment screen. You've also got your pre-selected menus there, so you can quickly flick to your radio or your map, whichever one you prefer, without having to take your eyes off the road. We've also got a cup holder here with space for your key behind it, and then behind that we've got a sliding centre armrest here, which can also be fixed at several positions to make it feel truly comfortable for you. We've got a second cup holder in there which does fold out, so if you want to use it you can have it put out and with your drink in it, or if you want it to be tucked away and use the space you can do so. And there is also a 12-volt socket in there, perfect for plugging in any accessories. So that completes our look today at this brand new Audi TT Coupe Black Edition. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. And as a brand new vehicle, this car does come with the manufacturer's 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you at Stafford Audi very soon.